Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a closer look at the Shark Detect Pro Lift Away ADV Bagless Upright Vacuum. If you're on the hunt for a vacuum that tackles debris in every corner, responds to your floor type, and even neutralizes bad odors, then this model may have exactly what you need. Let's see how it stacks up against the competition and if it really lives up to the hype. The Shark Detect Pro Lift Away is packed with features designed to make your cleaning experience easier and more efficient. First off, let's talk about the power under the hood. This vacuum boasts stronger suction than the Bissell's Surface Sense Allergen Pet Liftoff, delivering top-notch performance that's hard to match. Shark's patented DuoClean technology comes with 2 brush rolls and 4 sensors that automatically detect hidden dirt, debris, and hair. When it senses something that needs extra attention, the vacuum ramps up the suction and brush roll speed for a deep clean. But what does that really mean in practice? Well, it's designed to make cleaning even the toughest messes feel effortless. One of the standout features here is the Floor Detect technology, which uses an ultrasonic sensor to automatically adjust the suction power and brush roll speed based on your floor type. Whether you're on hardwood floors, carpets, or rugs, the Detect Pro adapts to provide the best performance without you having to lift a finger. That's a huge win when it comes to user convenience. The edge detection feature is equally impressive. Most vacuums are only effective when pushing forward, but the DuoClean Detect nozzle cleans both forward and in reverse, making it easier to get those hard-to-reach spots near walls or under furniture. Plus, this vacuum doesn't shy away from edges. Within 2 inches of a wall or baseboard, it boosts suction power automatically, ensuring nothing gets missed along the perimeter of the room. When it comes to allergens, the Shark Detect Pro doesn't just clean, it safeguards your home's air quality. With its anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, it traps 99.99% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, keeping them from escaping into the air. If you suffer from allergies, this could be a game changer, making the air in your home feel fresher and cleaner. Now let's talk real-world usability. This vacuum is straightforward to assemble, and even if you're not a DIY expert, you'll have it up and running in no time. When it comes to performance, this vacuum doesn't disappoint. It handles fine dust and crumbs on hard floors effortlessly. On carpets, it digs deep to lift embedded dirt and pet hair thanks to its powerful suction and dirt detect feature. If you have pets, you'll love how it reacts to pet hair, making sure none of it stays behind. The DuoClean brush roll system also helps it glide seamlessly from carpet to hard floors without the need for constant adjustments. But let's get into the real-world scenarios. For example, cleaning stairs is usually a pain, but with the Shark Detect Pro, it's much easier. The lift-away feature allows you to detach the canister, giving you the freedom to clean stairs, upholstery, or even your car without dragging the entire vacuum around. I've found that it's light enough to maneuver on stairs, but powerful enough to handle the dirt that tends to accumulate there. As far as noise goes, this vacuum is relatively quiet for its power level. It's not whisper silent, but it's certainly less noisy than some other models I've tested. When you're cleaning at high suction, it's a little louder, but nothing that's unbearable. The odor neutralizing feature is a great touch, especially in homes with pets, as it keeps your vacuum smelling fresh even after multiple uses. As for attachments, this vacuum doesn't come with a ton of extra tools, but it's still versatile. You get a crevice tool and a pet multi-tool for those smaller, tougher jobs. These work wonders on upholstery and tight spaces. If you need extra brushes for specific surfaces or additional accessories for your car, you'll have to purchase them separately. But the included tools do a great job for most home cleaning tasks. Now, like every product, the Shark Detect Pro has its strengths and weaknesses. The suction power and cleaning performance are undoubtedly among its best features, especially on carpeted areas and when dealing with pet hair. The filtration system is excellent for allergy sufferers, and the self-adjusting floor technology makes it user-friendly and versatile. The noise level is on the higher side at max suction, but it's manageable. On the downside, while the vacuum is lightweight, it might still be a bit bulky for some users, especially those with smaller storage spaces. The dustbin is spacious, but you will need to empty it more frequently than with some larger models. Also, although the lift-away feature is handy, it could feel a bit awkward when detaching and reattaching if you're in a rush. When considering value for money, this vacuum is priced competitively, especially for the range of features it offers. It's a great choice for pet owners or anyone who struggles with allergens. However, if you're mainly looking for something lightweight and compact, there may be alternatives worth exploring. For instance, Dyson's Ball Animal 3 is another powerful upright vacuum, but it's often a bit pricier and might not offer the same level of floor detection as the Shark. The Bissell's Surface Sense Allergen Pet Liftoff, while not as powerful, may be a more budget-friendly option for homes that don't require as much suction strength. Build quality is solid. The plastics feel sturdy and the vacuum is well constructed, with a good balance of weight and maneuverability. However, as with any vacuum, keeping up with maintenance is crucial. The filters need to be cleaned regularly, and the brush roll might require a little attention, especially if you have long hair or pets. Luckily, Shark makes this process fairly simple with accessible parts. If you're someone who values customer support, Shark has a reputation for handling issues quickly, and the 5-year warranty offers peace of mind. It's always reassuring when a brand stands behind their product. And Shark has consistently been praised for its responsiveness. At the end of the day, the Shark Detect Pro Lift-Away is a powerful vacuum that excels at cleaning both carpets and hard floors. It's packed with features that make it convenient, effective, and versatile. It's particularly great for pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone who wants a vacuum that adapts to different surfaces. It's not the quietest option out there, but for the performance and features it offers, it's a solid choice that stands out in a competitive market. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to the product in the comments box below. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this vacuum, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, happy cleaning!